What's up? Well, hey guys, what's up? I'm here today doing a couple of things. I'm going outside today, so I hope you enjoy. Well, first I'm gonna go feed this cat. That's my dog Zoe. Hey Zoe, you wanna sit down? Cat has no food. I'm only gonna feed her a little. Yeah, my cat is pretty fat, as you can see. You can't see. I need to turn the light on. That's my little pussy. See, she's a little bit fat. She's a little bit fat, and she doesn't really like. Here, push, push. See, she's trying to back off from me till she realizes I give her a good little scratchy. And I've got to pick up this. See? Cat food. We use. See? She's meowing and walking around. See, she loves it. Come on, look at you. Oh, God, it's hard. Oh, I'm so stupid I didn't even unzip it. Hey, cat. You hungry? There she go. There you go. See, she's beautiful and eating. Then I actually get a pedal more. See? Get a pedal. See? She nice. See? She nice. But when I pick her up, right? She hates me. She absolutely hates me. It's because I always pick her up. Well, always used to always pick her up. I forgot about this thing. I need this. Next I'm filling up the dog's bowl. Well, only like 2 centimeters or something. I know the dog's bowl's over here. Yes, it looks beautiful and stuff, but see, these are flipping 2. It looks like 3 of these. Hey, baby. I'll bring them you today. Won't you buy me down? See, check this out on that plant. I'll show you what I mean by we have tadpoles. They are adorable. Put food right here. I'm only giving her 1 shovel. Well, that's barely even 1 shovel, guys. Like, seriously. See? How is that even 1 shovel?
Like 2 hours. 1 hour.
Yeah, I don't know why I like eating dog food. Not so much cat food, but come on, babe. Come on. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Come here. Come on. See? You eat that. You can eat that. The cat will eat it. You eat it. See, guys. No, stay in there and eat it. Stay. Look, I've got to even eat it, so she will eat it. Actually, this has to stay down there. Ow. I'm walking around in bare feet. Oh, come on. Look, come here. Look. Sit. Sit. Come in here then. Here. Look, I'll even eat one. I'll leave it for her to eat. See? Hopefully it's delicious. Now, that's my sister Alexis. She's just had her chin. Shh. I'll show you. She has to get some bandages on it. Well, she little bit cut it open. Oops. And do it up. See, she had to go to the hospital because she cut it open. It wasn't as bad as the first time she did. These all baby tadpole things? Or is that just algae? Because look, guys, there's one baby tadpole. Where is he now? He's over here. There you go. I'll get a couple of your herd. None in this one. That's just a bubble. None in that one. None in that one. 2 in this one. 1 adult one. 1 baby. And maybe even an egg. See, there's 1 baby one right there. Well, stop shaking. 1 baby one right there. The adult one, much bigger. Right there. So there you go. Guys, you saw what animals we have. And what the hell is it? Oh, never mind. That was just a leaf. Yep, we got a fire pit there. We got that. I'll go show you where the wasps used to be. Like and subscribe if you want me to do. Ow, I've got a bindi in my foot. I'll do that. Do more vlogs and stuff. I think there's a poop. Yeah, I think it's a poop for Jen. If I can. So I'll show you where the wasps. You understand? The wasps used to be. They're not anymore because Mum killed them. They were ugly little wasps. That's just my mum. We have right here. We have some beautiful thing. I just took the clothes off the clothesline before I started to film. Over here we have a lovely lemon tree, a lovely helicopter tree, like legit. I just realized that it has helicopters right there. Guys, seriously, helicopters. We live in a sick place. But we do need to do some more gardening. Over here we have a lovely lemon tree, as I told you. We may have a lemon tree. Our leaky hose, I guess. Basement thing, which I'm not looking forward to because I don't like basements. Ew, stop. Zoe poo. We're don't poo in our yards. Here's our lovely garden where we're growing peppers. So guys, I don't like peppers. They're hot and they're red, so that's good. Alexis, we're growing red peppers. We're growing red peppers. Right here. You can see right here. Right here, guys. It's turning either orange or red. I'm not eating them. This is either a grapevine or a grapevine. Not yet. We obviously have a rabbit or a dog digging here. Some cut broccoli, I think, over here. It's a lovely garden. This random fruit, which comment down below what this is. Or it's just a leaf. We have a lovely standing just post. Holy, we have beautiful flowers over there. We have tomatoes growing, I think. Do it again. Sorry, guys. I really want to yank this out and see. I saw that one. I think we also have spuds. Yet again, bouncing up and down. And guys, I'm going to show you this fashion show next. So like and subscribe. Like on that, please. And leave some good views. Tell me if you don't think I should do it again, and tell me if I should. Thank you. Okay, so let's get back to the house. Look! There's eggshells. Is your bird nest? Guys, I used to kidnap bird nests and bird eggs. Like, I'm serious. A burnt lighter. Wow. I'm showing this to my mum. Actually, no, stop it. It's a broken lighter. Sorry, poo. That's how the cat poop. Because that ain't how Zoe poop. That's just my sister being a stupid bum. Like and